Good morning everybody, and welcome to another quick tutorial on all things digital marketing. So last week we discussed how to boost an Instagram post, and this week I'm going to give you an on-screen recording of how to boost a Facebook post, which is very similar, just slightly different. So I'm going into Facebook now. I'm on my corporate Facebook page and I go to boosting a post. Here it says create a post. I have already prepared myself with all of the text just so that it is quicker to do this online tutorial. But make sure that when you come to doing your boosting of posts, that you've actually done all of the text, all of the call to actions, the pricing, the need to know, etc., before it comes to actually executing online, because it just makes things so much more efficient when you have done your preparation beforehand. So obviously I've done the preparation already just to make things faster, and here we go. I've just inserted the information, which is fairly lengthy, but what we are going to be doing is promoting a rally driving experience, two different types of experiences, and I'm also going to include pictures of customers that are enjoying the experience to help the viewers and followers relate. So this is the text. And I've included a call to action, which is my cell phone number, or the customer can buy online and earn 100 Rand off at time of checkout using a coupon code. Then I've included a comprehensive need to know, which essentially are all of the answers to frequently asked questions. So that will minimize people calling and leaving messages about questions that they may have, because it's all in there. Yes, people generally do not read anything, but it's in there anyway, and it will definitely cater to customers who are very thorough. And at the end, I've included my cell phone number again, or buy online, where there is the web link, or you can include, and preferably include, if you're promoting one product, the exact URL for the landing page of that product. So I've included all of the details here, and now I'm ready to go and attach the images that I have already in my gallery. I'm going to attach firstly the self-drive, then the rally hot seat, and then we are going to add pictures of our customers in there. We're going to include ladies and gents, as well as pictures of the activity, and that will, I think 12 is enough. And then I'm going to have an exit slide as well, which again is another call to action, who they can call, where they can browse for more, can they email, as well as a tagline saying that we are your experience experts. So that number 14 slide is also very handy to have. I'm going to go next. That's all been loaded nicely. Look how that's beautifully arranged in Facebook. And we are going to share the post. Not now. And we are going to boost it as well. So it's currently publishing the post, and it's taking time to do that. And then I'm going to boost the post as well. And I already know who my target audience is, where they are based, how old they are, the gender that they are, the area of the country that they are in, the type of interests that they have. And we're just waiting for that to publish. Hello everybody and welcome back. I decided to end the first part of the tutorial because it was taking so long for the post to actually process and go through and become active, which it has now done. It was obviously all of the images that needed to load into Facebook. So the second part of our online tutorial is going to be about actually boosting the post. So here it is, all live and everything on Facebook. It's looking great. We've got all of our information in there, the call to action, the need to know, etc., etc. And we also have the really super cool pictures with the first two giving details on the actual experience or the product, whatever it is that you're selling, with lots of happy customers really enjoying the experience that we are offering, with a WhatsApp button so that they can get hold of me when they're ready to make inquiries. And here we're going to go in and boost this. We're going to take it from the top here. We're just going to have another look that we're happy with the layout. It has the WhatsApp button. We have some post insights. It's already reached 34 people. We don't have to worry about advertising policies. There's nothing untoward about this post. It's all fine. I want to select that we want to get more engagement. And we're going to, because I'm looking for people who want to share and comment and react and, you know, tag people and create a little bit of hype, get some energy going on the page. We have the WhatsApp number, which I'm checking. Okay, and I've also I've pre-populated an audience in here. I recognize Facebook as the older generation, for our experiences are generally on Facebook, and I refer to them as old money. So I've selected the age of 37 to 55. It will be male and female living in the Gauteng province in South Africa. So I've included them. And I've also included, we have estimated daily results. I want to have 21 days. And I'm going to change this to a spend of 2,000 Rand, which gives us a total of 95 Rand per day, excluding tax. I want to increase this just a little bit more, 2,500. That will give us 119 Rand per day, taking us up to the 28th of May, which is a Friday. And there's the payment method. There's my name and surname. My credit card details are all in there. It's going to give a total amount of 2,875. Generally speaking, we are spending 4 or 5 on 3 adverts a month. So I'm just going to bring that down slightly. 1,750, because we have a total of 3 boosted posts going through a month. So we're just fine-tuning this. Okay, because we obviously have a total ad spend that we need to be thinking about. And then we're going to just double check everything again. And like I've said before, you know, have a checklist together with you of all the things that you need to be remembering before you actually submit that final button of submission. Be sure about your posts and how you want everything to be looking before you boost and approve the final request for the spend to take place. But I'm happy with everything. I've checked it all a few times, and off we go. And that's going to boost into our Facebook feed. And now we have a nice, diverse selection of Instagram, Facebook, and also LinkedIn. Super. So now I see that has all been approved. It has status in review. We want to get the most post engagement, total amount spent for 21 days. It's all looking good because it was coming up with an error message. You just need to keep persevering and just triple check everything again that you are happy with your boosted post. And then you can just confirm that all. And I will say as well that when you are boosting posts and placing ads onto the Google platform, is also go in to health check your posts. Don't just leave things there running on their own. Definitely go and check your posts and optimize them and make sure that everything is okay, because it's very precious money that you're spending that you want to result in sales and good exposure for your products and for your business. So that's all we have to share for today. We've shown you a boosted post on Instagram, a boosted post on Facebook now, and next week I will be sharing with you either a nice smart ad on Google or maybe something on LinkedIn, so that you have a nice online collection of tutorials that you can refer to for future reference. Thanks, guys, and we'll chat again next week.